This is the weekly weather briefing for Monday, December 2nd, 2013. My name is Greg Cook, and this briefing will cover the weather for the upcoming week across the inland Northwest. As always, forecasts are subject to change, so please check our website during the week for the most updated forecast. Here is what we expect for the next 7 to 10 days. For the remainder of today and tonight, that's Monday and Monday night, portions of the Idaho Panhandle will experience light snow as a storm system lingers over the northern Rockies. Tuesday will be blustery and cold with the arrival of an Arctic front. Wednesday through Saturday will feature some of the coldest air we have experienced in a couple of years. By Sunday and Monday, there may be a chance of snow. Here is a look at today's weather map. Low pressure over western Montana is responsible for the snow showers over the Idaho Panhandle. This low will slowly move southeastward tonight, bringing an end to the Panhandle snow by Tuesday morning. Arctic air over Canada will spill into the region over the next 2 days. Here is what Wednesday's weather map is expected to look like. Arctic air will be coming at us from Alaska and will likely be some of the coldest air we have seen in 2 or 3 years. Once this Arctic air arrives, it is expected to remain here for at least a week. This Arctic intrusion will impact more than just Washington and Idaho. The entire western 2/3 of the United States will get a taste of this cold air. We have high confidence that it will be cold for at least a week. From Wednesday through the middle of next week, temperatures will be about 20 degrees below average. For the majority of the inland Northwest, afternoon high temperatures will be in the teens Wednesday through next week, and low temperatures will commonly be in the single digits. North breezes on Tuesday and Friday will likely produce wind chills of 0 to -15. It will certainly be cold enough for snow the next several days, but the chances for accumulating snow will be low for most of the week. There will be a small chance of snow Friday with a low pressure system expected to move through Oregon. Some light accumulation may impact the southern Idaho Panhandle Friday. The forecast could get interesting Sunday or Monday too. Some of our computer models suggest snow early next week, so stay tuned. Most of the lowlands in Washington and Idaho have little to no snow cover. This graphic shows that snow is mainly limited to the mountains of the inland Northwest and the valleys around Bonners Ferry, Northport, and Republic. The lack of snow over the Columbia Basin and Palouse will probably keep our low temperatures from breaking records this week. However, the lack of snowpack will raise some concerns. Snow is an insulator. A prolonged cold outbreak without snow on the ground will cause the soil to freeze hard and quickly. Water pipes may be susceptible to freezing. Bitter cold may also damage wheat fields without snow cover. And lastly, hard frozen ground will not be able to absorb future rain without some warmer weather arriving first. The cold temperatures will raise our concern for ice jams later this month. Many shallow, slow-running rivers and streams will freeze over the next week. Rivers are running low region-wide. If a heavy rain episode comes later this month, frozen ground will increase runoff and could cause localized flooding and ice jams. The 8 to 14-day outlook from the Climate Prediction Center has a greater than average probability of cold weather during the December 10th through 16th time frame. They also have a higher than average confidence that our region will experience a period of above normal precipitation next week. If this outlook pans out, there is a good chance for our first widespread snow of the season next week. In summary, light snow accumulations and falling temperatures tonight will cause some slick driving conditions in the Idaho Panhandle. By Wednesday, we will be experiencing some of the coldest weather we have seen in 2 to 3 years. Dangerous wind chills are expected this week, namely Tuesday and Friday. And without snow on the ground, the soil will likely freeze hard and deep, which could cause some problems with water pipes. The prolonged cold weather may set up the region for some ice jams later on this month. Here's how you can stay informed and get the latest information from the National Weather Service. Go to our website. You can follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and on YouTube. I hope you all have a great week, and thank you for tuning in to this weekly weather briefing.